place of the hula, which for us here in Hawaii is talking story. That's why you hear a lot about talking story. Now we're east side of the island. This is Cape Alava coming around right where the rainbow is. That's the Halava Valley. It's the very first valley that we know of any humans that colonized in the Hawaiian Islands. This doesn't happen every day, Julie. Now that's 1,100 feet right there. The North Shore in front of us is only accessed by boat or by helicopter. That's it. No roads out here.
On you, may it be when darkness falls, your heart will be true. You walk a lonely road. Oh, how far you are from home. Morning would to believe, and you will find your way. Morning, a promise lives within you now. May it be the shadows call, we'll fly away. May it be your journey on to light the day. When the night is overcome, you may
long it took for me to be able to do that. Not say a single word. You guys are used to hurricanes. Over to our left, this is Kaiva. Goes up 2,500 feet. In October of 2018, I was witness to all this green becoming white. I gave the name Olivia to that hurricane, a Category 3 from over to our left. As it approached, it dissipated to a tropical storm, as usual here in the islands. Yeah, very high volcanoes. And then the wind shear up above and the jet stream really dissipates these storms. But the bands of showers were coming from due north straight at us. And going into that and being forced from there up 2,500 feet and then higher. The highest point on the volcano, Komako here, is at 4,961 feet. Now it was already red in intensity when you look at the colors on the radar over here. It was forced vertically and it went all the way through all the purples to the end of the spectrum. And that waterfall to our right was shooting straight off the top into the water below. Now as I bank it to the right here, Chris, you can see the gradient on the slope. It's almost vertical. Now that right there is Vail Falls. That one goes up 2,600 feet. This is the largest erosional valley on the island, known as Wailau. Said Julie, there's books. A lot of books don't really cover the details. These are some of the tallest waterfalls in the entire world. That one right there, known as Olupena, goes to a height of 2,953 feet. But when those hurricanes hit, that whole wall melts, and so you can anticipate you'll see higher. It's just so very rare to be able to be witness to that. Now even that right there is 500 foot tall. I'm going to bring around to the left in just a moment. We're going to head back towards the Vail.